I am gonna pray to all the teachers, all educators in the Philippines. This is my prayer series vlog. Especially our education. This is the focus prayer for all the teachers, education, administration, and in the education sector. I believe Filipino will excel. Our education will excel. I'm gonna pray. I'm gonna represent as a Filipino. Father God, I am happily to pray for my country, the Philippines, Father God. I pray, Father God, for the education sector that you will give guidance, protection, and wisdom to all the teachers so they can teach the Bible, they can share the gospel in the different areas of the Philippines and in different schools of the Philippines, that they will open the Bible, that they will open to pray in public, they will open to teach in public about Jesus Christ. In Jesus